This file is going to show you how to take a QMD file in our studio and make it into a Word document. It's called rendering. So the way we do this is here I have a QMD file, which is a file that's a markup file inside of our studio. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to make this file into a Word document. You're going to see in this file, I actually say format is a doc file. So it will create a doc file for me. And I'm going to click on render. You're going to see up here in this, in the toolbar at the top of the screen, you're going to see the word render. It's one of the places you can click. If I click on this, you're going to see down in the console, it's going to be working through trying to do it line by line. And it tells us that execution was halted because there happens to be an error. And it actually tells you where that error is. It tells you the line numbers is 205 to 207. The problem is that I don't see line numbers in here if I'm in the visual mode. If I go to the source mode, I now can find the line numbers. So now if I scroll down through the line numbers till I find 205 to 207, I can see what the error is. And sometimes I can figure out the errors, and sometimes I can't, you might not be able to. In this case, 205 to 207 is this chunk here. And it says something about that it can't find list price. And then I notice, oh, list price is supposed to be lowercase. So my mistake here was I had an uppercase instead of a lowercase. So I'll change this to lowercase list price. Then I will go ahead and click on render again. It will then work through and it actually finishes it. And I know it finished it because over here it shows up here in the upper right, it shows that it is actually downloading my file. So my file now was downloaded to my computer as a doc file. I can see it's a doc file because of the logo it has, and I now can upload that file. If, however, you still can't figure out what the error is, you can also click on the file you'd like to download. So your QMD file that you're having trouble with, if you click on the little box next to it on the left-hand side, then come up in the file pane, come over to where you see the gears. Click on the little arrow next to the gear and you'll find the one that says export. You can then export that file to your computer and then that you can email where you need to. And that's it for rendering.